Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the UPSC mains exam, whether the date will change or not, this is the doubt which yesterday onwards many students are messaging, because you know the prelims already got postponed because of the election dates and all. You would have seen in the UPSC website itself where it is clearly having a scrolling kind of news here that rescheduling of CSP IFOS, that is the Indian Forest Service, and the Civil Service both have the same prelims, so that is getting postponed. Okay, so if you click on that link, it will show something like, due to the scheduling of the impending general election, it has decided to postpone the civil service examination from 26/5, that is the May 26 to 16/6. Okay, that is June 16. Okay, June 16 your prelims will happen. Now that's also a Sunday only, always Sunday the prelims will happen. So it's like 21 days, that is 3 weeks have been shifted. Okay, 21 days have been shifted. So obviously you know the gap between prelims and mains will get reduced, and so that is why people ask like whether mains will be getting postponed. So the simple answer is it will not get postponed, and why it is I will tell you with the fact and figures of how UPSC conducts the mains, and usually what is the gap between both the exams. Okay, that we'll try to see here. And one more thing, they are doing this not because it's any conflict of like conducting exams and all. It is because the UPSC aspirants or all the exams, it's not only UPSC, UPPSC, the CA exam, every exam which was in May has been postponed to June mid, because you are all voters. Okay, you all will be maybe out of hometown, you will be in New Delhi, you will be in other places and all. So you have to go to your hometown and do your voting. So that is why, to allow you to go to the vote and come back properly, that is why this kind of gap is there. Okay, you know, because I think voting ends by June 1st or something. April, May, June, the election will happen, and June 16th only your prelims will happen. So those who want to go to their hometown and come in the month of May to go to do voting, that is why this has been done. So you also responsibly as a citizen go and vote. Okay, simply by hearting books and giving exams is not enough. Whichever party you want to vote, go and vote. Okay, it's your right. Okay, you can tell democratic right, a legal right. Okay, it's not a fundamental right. That is UPSC already asked that question. It is a right which is legally given, constitutionally given to you. So you have to go and vote. Okay, so that is the first thing. Now about the gap which I was telling, like why it won't affect or why it won't change. So you should also see the history. Okay, last 5 years I have taken here, 2020. 21, 22, 23 and 24. And why this blue color? Because these are regular years. Regular year means these years the exam did not get postponed. It happened as per what UPSC decided. Okay, but the other 2 years, 2020 and 21, COVID was there and the prelims was shifted multiple times, and it happened in October month. Okay, so that is why if you see, that is you can tell a affected year or a postponed year, and blue color is a regular year. Now this is 2024 is again an affected year, because May 26th exam is shifted to June 16th exam. Okay, and result will come, if you see, in 12 days or 15 days gap, the results are coming. Okay, always the prelims result are coming in that way. So we can expect that June 16th, the prelims which you give, the result will come before June 30. Okay, meaning in 15 days maximum. I think it will come even before that, by 28th or something it will come. But for the safer side, we'll consider June 30. Now we will see the gaps, okay, between the prelims result date and the mains date, because mains date is already known to us. Okay, this is already known to us that this is the mains date. So we'll see the gaps one by one. Okay, so when we see here, on a regular year, normal year, a student usually gets 86 days between prelims and mains. Meaning prelims means prelims result date I am telling. Okay, not the prelims exam date. Prelims result date and the mains date, the gap is 86 days and 95 days. Meaning close to 85 to 95, you can tell on an average you get the gap to prepare for mains in between prelims and mains. Now the current situation, which this has happened now, considering June 30 to September 20, how much time you have? Entire July you have, entire August you have, and 20 days. So that means around 80 to 82 days you have now. Okay, earlier it was more than 103. Okay, 103 days were there. So it was something extra which UPSC gave this time, but unfortunately due to elections that is gone, and now 82 days you will get. So now we have to see in the affected years, these two are the affected, corona affected years, did they have a gap less than this? Did have UPSC conducted mains with such a small gap? So that we have to see. If they have conducted, that means this time also they will conduct. Okay, so if you go and check the years, only a gap of 76 days in 2020 prelims, only a gap of 68 days in the 2021 prelims. So if they can conduct in 76 and 68, obviously they can conduct in 82 days gap also. So there is no need for them to exactly change the exam date of mains. So September 20, 2024 itself, your mains will happen, which is a 5-day exam, like one Friday, Saturday, Sunday it will be, and then next week Saturday, Sunday. So 5 days, okay, 3 plus 2 days it will be. That is your mains exam. But your prelims will be on June 16th instead of May 26th, and your result will come by June 30. And so now you have around 80 to days gap. Okay, now to study you have more number of days. I will tell you that also, but the conclusion before going to that is UPSC means 2024 exam date will not change. Okay, hope you got your answer. Okay, and UPSC always keeps reserve day. If you know the calendar, whenever they have the yearly calendar which they publish in the UPSC website, they will have something called RT reserve day which they keep for every exam, not only UPSC civil service exam, for every exam. For example, here it is prelims exam on 26th 5 which they earlier declared. So after this, okay, the item number 10, 11, 12. If you go to the next page, item number 13, 14 and all, see item number 14. They have a reserve day on July 6th. Okay, so they could have postponed the exam to July 6th, but UPSC did not want to do that much gap. So they are conducting it on June 16th, which is ideally not a reserve day for them, but they would have somehow arranged that day in between that. Okay, so they are conducting it on June 16th, and same like that, mains, whether it will get postponed or not. The mains is actually on September 20 for 5 days. So after that, the next reserve day they have is October 19th. Okay, so if they want, they could have done pushing, but I don't think they'll be doing, because I explained to you 82 days gap is well fair enough compared to the last 5 years, and UPSC will not want to complicate it more, because after COVID they somehow struggled to bring back the prelims exam from October to May month. Now again it is going to June. They don't want to repeat their cycle. Okay, so that is why it will not be postponed. Okay, so we have concluded that prelims will get postponed, and you got 21 extra days now to study. That is May 26th to June 16th, the shift which has happened now, 3 weeks, 21 days. So people asked me yesterday that can you do a new test series or a new plan for 85 days. So only for those people you can continue watching this video. Okay, or it will come as a second part, however it is, you can watch that video, but remaining people can stop the video now. Okay, as of now, the last batch which we have done for 2024 is a 132 day timetable which we started in January. So now starting in March is a very hectic thing. Okay, so March, if you take, okay, March 23, that is today I am recording this video on March 20, which is a Wednesday. So 23rd is Saturday. Okay, 23rd is Saturday. So if you calculate from that aspect, in March you have 9 days left, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 15 days. So total 85 days you have. And that 85 days, we are trying to make a plan where you can study 7,100 MCQs of all subjects. Okay, because it's like, you will tell it's impossible to study now from scratch and all, that is true. But those who are actually, maybe you have studied a lot throughout the year, but you need valuable, like high quality questions, high quality MCQ, answer and explanation. That PDF concept, if you want, for all subjects, I have designed this plan. Okay, where 85 days I have split in such a way that your modern history will get 12 days, your polity will get 20 days, because that is the biggest like mark scoring item. Okay, then we have science and environment, I put 7 days, geography 6 days, international 4 days, scheme 4 days, economy 5 days, like that. Everything at least 4 to 5 days I have put. Okay, like NCERT 4 days, where you will get each day, what you have to do is you have to do 100 MCQs learning. Okay, each day 100 MCQ, so 71 days, 7,100 MCQ. Then out of 85 days, 71 days means what? Remaining some 14 days are there. Okay, so that 14 days you will be doing our revision charts, or you will be reading the Lakshmikant. I have kept, I think, 6-7 days for reading Lakshmikant if you want, or I think 5 days I have kept for reading the Spectrum textbook. Like that, that remaining 14 days will be done. So a very hectic plan, I will tell. But as you know, UPSC prelims, to clear the UPSC prelims, you need just a cutoff of 88, even if you are general category. Okay, even if you are general category. This is 2022 cutoff. Okay, 2023 is, they are yet to publish the thing. Interview just got over. Result has to come. After that only they'll publish the cutoff, but it will be even lower than that. Okay, maybe 85 or something, or even less than that the cutoff will be for 2023. So you need to get only 85, means you have to do only around 44, 42, 43 questions correct out of the 100 questions in prelims in the morning paper. Okay, CSAT anyway you have to score the 33% mark, but the morning paper, okay, out of 100 you have to get 42 questions correct. On a safer side, you have to make 50 questions correct. Okay, completely correct, so that you get 100 marks, and even if some negative happens, you will end up in 85 to 95 marks. Okay, which will help you go and give the mains exam, which will have again the remaining other type of cutoffs. So that is why now the whatever I'm going to tell in the next maybe 20 minutes, very serious aspirants. Okay, I'm giving you a disclaimer now itself. It's a paid test series, like always we do. It's only in English medium, so Hindi medium people cannot watch in cannot make use of it. So it's like a 3 months is left, 85 days, March 23 Saturday to June 15th again, which will be a Saturday, because June 16th is Sunday. And then this plan is not going to work for your working aspirants, college aspirants, and people who can't study like many hours. You cannot study in 85 days. Okay, you better give the exam in 2025, because now at this point you are telling you want to start the preparation and still try give a very reasonable attempt. I'm not telling that guarantee you will clear and all. Guarantee I'm telling here, because our materials, okay, from our materials 90 to 100 marks of questions will come. That is guarantee. Okay, but you clear or not, that is up to your studies, is up to your performance, up to your hard work, like whether you give 8 to 12 hours, because 100 MCQs in a day if you have to study, okay, you have to read the question, you have to solve the answer, you have to by heart it, then again try to memorize it. You need minimum 8 to 10 hours in a day. Okay, only then 100 MCQs in one day you can do. Only if you do in that pace, in 71 days, you can do 7,100 MCQs. So it's going to be hectic. I accept it and I am telling it now forefront itself. But there are many students who have done a lot of studies throughout the year and they want to just grasp MCQs quickly. Their grasping power will be very good. So for such people, this is going to be helpful. Okay, so UPSC is tough. There is no doubt it is going to be tough. So your job is not to hope for an easy exam. Don't tell like, okay, I hope this time many easy questions come. Because if easy questions comes, what is the problem is, it will be easy for everyone. It will be easy for everyone means the cutoff will go high. Like in 2016 and all the cutoff was 116. Okay, so like that it will go very high, that then you will have to score more number of questions in the exam. But if it is tough means everybody will be on the same page and you have to somehow get to that 42 to 48 questions correct out of 100 and you will be clearing it. Okay, it's a pure competitive comparative exam. There is no fixed cutoff announced first itself. So if you do better than the person sitting next to you, you will clear. Okay. So now joining Vysh is your choice. Okay, I don't force you. I never force anyone to join our test series. Okay, but you should have been writing mains answers throughout the year. You should have been solving high quality MCQs. You should have been doing the previous year questions. You should have been reading the newspaper. This and all the starting of the year I told. Okay, this is the 6th batch actually for 2024 we are launching now. Okay, so 5 batches is also already done. So it's mandatory that you do all these things, but joining test series is totally your choice. Okay, so out of genuine concern, we tell you that if you don't work to be among the best, you will remain to be among the rest for one more year. Okay, and it's actually 2 years. Many coaching class tell you that UPSC attempt is 1 year. It is not 1 year, because if you know, prelims is there, mains is there, interview is there, and then result of that is there, final result. This prelims to result itself takes 1 year. Okay, and before prelims, you would have been studying for 1 year. Okay, for 1 year, June to June you study, right? That is 1 year, and this journey is 1 year. So total 2 years you are giving for one attempt. This many of the coaching classes doesn't tell you, and that is why I force you, please watch my foundation, which is completely free and it will take you to a very high level of preparation. Okay, so now why we keep doing this, why we keep explaining the same thing again and again, because we want result, we want all India toppers. Okay, because many of our students message us like they cleared the prelims, or later they'll tell they cleared the mains, because I never used to track the students, because it's a completely free YouTube channel. We never track them. Okay, we don't know who is clearing, what is clearing, we don't collect their ID or photograph or nothing. I don't even know names of most of the students who are studying from us. Okay, because we are teaching it free. Only the test series is a paid program, and that time we take minimum your email ID, phone number, that kind of details, but we later don't track your hall ticket and things. But now last year onwards we started tracking, and many students, including our teacher who teaches polity in our channel, she has cleared and reached till interview. Okay, an interview she couldn't clear, but this time again she will be waiting for the result, and hopefully she'll clear. So like that our students are clearing various stages, and not only UPSC, they're clearing like Madhya Pradesh, I think this panchayat level exams are there, in Meghalaya police level exams are there, many students, Andhra, I think most students from Andhra and Tamil Nadu, our students have cleared various exams. So all this because we have different programs. Okay, so 2025 students also, if you are listening, okay, this video is only for 2024. For you already there is a 450-day timetable which you can come and WhatsApp me, and I will tell you how to join that. Okay, it's a big program, it's a big 450 days plan which has I think 111 tests and all is there. It's a very bigger one. Okay, so that you can directly join. And in case, as I told, you are already enrolled, to some other plan, some other coaching, and you still want to study at least current affair from Vysh. Okay, we have this individual packs and combo packs which is like 100 MCQs. Each PDF will have question answer explanation. That's not samples I'll show you now. So that we have individual packs like this. There's individual pack 0, pack 1, pack 2, pack 3, pack 4, pack 5. Okay, so why it is pack 0 is because this is something which is going to start only. Okay, it is like for the next year students, that is June 2024 to May 2025. Okay, because now we are talking in the month of March. Okay, so it's a futuristic 12 months. Okay, so that is why I called it pack 0. And this is pack 1, which is like mandatorily the 2024 students should buy. Okay. And then there is pack 2, because UPSC asks outdated current affairs also. That is why 12 months older than that, again 12 months older than that, again 12 months older than that. So up till 2022 May, if you see, to 19 June, okay, 19 to 2025. Okay, which will be total 6 years. Okay, total 6 years combo also. This is all individual I showed you, 12 months. But if you want combo, see, 2019 June to May 2025, 6 years, that also package is there. Okay, all the offer price is only for people who watch this video now and get back to us today itself. Okay, you have to WhatsApp me the same number 7200 681 675. Okay, so you can message. So 5-year plan is there, 3-year plan is there, 2-year plan is there, again 2 year of different years are there. Okay, so this if you see 2023 to 25, this also I recommend to students of 2025 batch or even 2024 batch also, because even if you fail, then you already in this pack will get the remaining 12 months also. Okay, 12 months for 24 exam and 12 months for 25 exam. So both you get in this combo. Okay, so like that you choose whichever you want, you choose. Anyway, it's guarantee that you will be liking it. Okay, because whoever has enrolled to our test series and genuinely studied it, okay, not the ones who piled it up, who actually studied have told that they wasted a lot of money in different coaching classes, but after joining Vysh IAS, they understood that worthy materials, how it is to be designed, okay, how it can be actually connected to UPSC. Okay, see the foundation, which coaching classes never explains to you. See students from Meghalaya, Jammu and Kashmir. This time I think maximum students have come from Jammu and Kashmir, which is actually a shocking stats for us also, because we usually get 1 or 2 students, but this time a lot of students are there from Jammu and Kashmir who joined and bought Vysh IAS test series, both prelims and mains. Okay, see mentorship, or these are like our previous students who watch our videos and all. Everyone who has seen our materials, they will tell that questions reflected in UPSC from Vysh IAS test series. Okay, 2022 or 23 exams, if you see the chess questions, Swadeshi, medium enterprise, Israel, China, Saudi Arabia, anemia, Mukta Bharat, every question was there in Vysh IAS test series. So if you are seriously looking for something quality test series, okay, which is like lifetime validity, a soft copy PDF, okay, soft copy PDF it is. So even if you fail, you can use it again and again, because history, geography, polity, these things are not going to change. Okay, only then you need to update it with the latest 12 months of current affair. So this is a golden chance for you to buy now, and then tell me whether it helped you or not, because I always likes the feedback, and that is how these many WhatsApp screenshots we get it. Okay, see, thank you for the valuable PDF. Hats off your hard work. Okay, so different students giving different exams, different graduation level, everybody is telling, see, given my best for prelims. So all these people are the ones who actually tried our materials, okay, tried our materials and understood that it is worth studying from Vysh IAS. See, aaj ka paper bahut hi acha hua. So this is again a person who gave the prelims in 2023. See, I have given all the best in the morning 5:45. I would have messaged all the students before they go to the exam hall, and that night 9:25 that student is messaging me. Okay, so like that, if you see, our elimination techniques are there, everything. Okay, see here 90 to 95 I'm scoring. So I told them with that score you will definitely pass, and that student had actually passed also. Okay, and he gave mains that year. So like this, there are many things, many feedbacks which in my WhatsApp, Instagram you would have already seen. If you are someone who don't know anything about Vysh IAS, just in YouTube type this one, okay, Vysh versus UPSC. So our year by year result will come. Okay, meaning Vysh IAS question on one side, UPSC question on one side, and I have shown the comparison. Okay, it's not like simply here one tiger question and here one tiger question. That exact statement about tiger, what they asked, that would have been taught at Vysh IAS. Okay, so like that every year, including 2023 results, is there in Vysh IAS. Okay, last year because it was a very tough exam, still we could, I think 90 to 100 marks were like directly solvable from Vysh IAS test series. Okay. So please search for this and understand what is Vysh IAS. These are samples of our Vysh versus UPSC videos. If you see the ports question, okay, which came in medieval history, it is there in our geography maps test. Okay, we have done like this. So this are all is included in today's package also, which you are going to buy. Okay, and then if you see here Vijayanagara dynasty, Devaraya I, the king, I taught you only one line about that. That exact one line came, and this is taken from where? Medieval Satish Chandra textbook. So like this, every textbook I have made myself each and every MCQ to the too much detailing. See, Lakshmikant test number 1, that is chapter 1 to 6, MCQ number 78 is from which the Property Act question came. Okay, fundamental right, article 31, this question came. So like that, everything what you need is environment question. So environment, polity, geography, history, this is marsupials, which every coaching class told is a tough question. It came from Vysh IAS. Okay, so like this, try to enroll to a good test series. There are only few requirements to join our test series. That is a sincere, dedicated mindset and willpower to study. Like I told, 8-10 hours is not easy. 8-10 hours studying in a day is not easy. I know many people who do that, but it's very difficult also, and they are the ones who will actually clear. Okay, a mindset to follow our instruction, meaning you simply don't ask queries, which I have already told in this launch video or in the foundation or in some other medium. I have told you, don't repeat the same question again. Please listen carefully. Okay, active YouTube account you will need, active Gmail account you will need, because all the tests I will send in Gmail only. Okay, and all the other help and all, if you want whatever doubts, you can ask in WhatsApp. Okay, but the PDF material will be given in Gmail. Okay, so the package, okay, the package is 3 months timetable, editable Excel sheet kind of timetable you will get, which I will show you now. 100% syllabus of the GS1 paper. CSAT is not included. Okay, CSAT you have to do, just do the previous year, like 2022 and 23 papers, right? Just take any book of Disha publication or anyone, the solved question paper will be there. Just to study those topics alone, that will be sufficient. Okay, and then prelims 71 test. Of those tests also, if you are not able to read it yourself, 20 to 30 tests I will give you audio explanation, meaning I will be opening the PDF and I will be reading through it. So it will be faster for you instead of you yourself reading. But all the 71 tests, I don't think I will be able to record it and give you. So 20 to 30 tests I will try to give. Okay, so that is like a 2 pack will be there. 1 pack with only PDF, 1 pack with PDF plus some of the test explanation. Okay, explanation PDF you will get. Okay, full notes you will get, but you will not get a audio version of that if you don't enroll to the pack 2. Okay, and mains is not included in this one. It's like a and the guidance and foundation videos are completely free. Okay, which you will get on day 1 when you come and message me. Okay. So now I'm again telling you, we don't provide any notes, no study material, no printouts, nothing. We are giving you our test PDF, which itself is the notes, and that itself, if you study it every single day, you will ideally get a lot of knowledge. But it's up to you whether you have that grasping power, that reading speed, and that retention power, because in 85 days trying to clear prelims is very, very difficult, and you also know that. We are just trying to do one help by making a scheduled timetable and giving you some materials which will actually help you score a lot of marks in the exam. Okay, so watch the foundation, that is mandatory. Take 1 day, maybe like today you take and watch all the foundation. Come and ask me in WhatsApp, I'll give you 30 video link. You can actually watch it in 1 day, but you should be sincere. Okay, that you can do. And these are the promises which we usually give our batches and all. But now this line don't count, because 2 to 4 years of current affair now you cannot study. There is no time. 12 months you can study, and then I'll make you the most competitive. Okay, this is the best advice I'll give you. Competitive doesn't mean you will clear, or I'm guaranteeing you that you will clear. I'm telling you that suppose there is a person who is studying from Delhi, okay, with all the facilities, and you are studying from home with just like this one test series, you will be equal to that person. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so you will be equal to that person, okay, in terms of knowledge level, in terms of materials. In case you find any typing mistakes in our PDF, please let us know. We will correct it. Okay, it's not like we give you PDF and then we ignore you. We will be always touching with you. Like I'll be personally in touch with you, okay, on WhatsApp. So you don't have to worry about typing mistakes and all. So that 71 test what will include in the first page, I already told you 11 months of current affair will be there. Okay, May month I have not put, because from that questions will not come for the June exam. Okay, before that question paper will be ready already. Okay, still if you want as a free, I will give you May also in case you want. And then science we have 5 tests, environment 5 tests, economics 5 tests, polity and schemes, polity is around 12 tests and schemes is around 5 tests, geography 5 tests, art and culture will have 2 tests of art and culture, medieval history will be 2 tests, modern history will be 4 tests, NCERT will be 4 tests, then medieval 2 tests. Okay, medieval means including Tamil Nadu textbook. Okay, these are the kind of thing. Maps, you will have 3 specific tests, maps dedicated one. Then there will be geography full test, history full test, polity full test. That also will be there, meaning which is not textbook specific, but subject specific. That also will be there. Okay, so this is the summary. You can see the picture. This is the summary. Okay. 16 test of history, 11 test of current affair, 12 of polity. Okay, 0 full test I have not put it. Instead, you will get all those in the subjects itself. Okay, and then mains not included. I have struck off all the mains related thing. You want to see sample of the test PDF? You can mail me and get the PDF. You can simply mail to this mail. You can simply type 3 free. You will get the PDF in your inbox. But here itself, if you want, that also I will just quickly let me take it. In 5 minutes, I will wind up this video. See the PDF, October 2023 current affair. This is our answer PDF will look like. Answer PDF means, if you see questions, you can see the question. India's Dhordo village has made it to the 54 best tourism. You can see one second. Okay, you can see it. Let me highlight. Okay, yeah. So this one is the answer PDF, where answer is highlighted in red color and there is answer key given here and the explanation is given here, and because it's current affair, the news link is also given here, which you can click and read the news in case you want. But now with 85 days left, you cannot do that. So see, the detailing in one question is given. So like that, if you go down, question number 2. Now same thing, this is question number, okay, one second, question number 2, question number 3. Okay, malaria vaccine, new one was there, that is in news. High speed railway is in part of China's Belt and Road Initiative. The Mac Center in India. These are all things which happened in October month. Okay, so like this monthly current affair will be there. I-Star program was in news this time in Indian Air Force. Sampriti exercise was there between India and other countries. Okay, the neighboring countries. So like this, everything which happened that month will be there in the current affair. This is the answer PDF. Now you want to practice yourself, means you go to the question PDF. Okay, the same test. This is the question PDF. You can see this. This is a question PDF. So if you want to do it yourself, okay, you take this and then start looking for the answer. Like suppose here you want to mark your answers in your this thing. Okay, soft copy. Okay, if you want to print, you can print, but I don't recommend printing that many things. Okay, or take a separate paper in your home. Take a separate paper and there write it. Okay, so here you will mark like, okay, this is Assam. But later when you go to the answer key and check, it will be wrong. It will be Gujarat. Okay, so like that you can evaluate yourself. It's a self-evaluation. We are not going to do any evaluation for you. Okay. Okay, so like this is the question PDF. See, every question is there. So you can keep learning through question PDF or you can learn through answer PDF. This both will be given to you. One test means it is 2 PDF. Okay, one question PDF, one answer PDF. Okay, every current affair which would have happened from around 11 national newspapers, PIB, PRS, Down to Earth magazine, everything I cover. Okay, and if you want to see a subject PDF, let me just open a subject PDF. This is a spectrum test. Okay, if I go to page number 1. Spectrum has, I told you, 4 tests. Modern history has 4 tests. Okay. See, so what is included in the test will be there. It's India's freedom struggle, Gandhi, INC sessions, and something others. So if you see, this is the question PDF. Gandhiji's 11 point, what was not included, which are the following are true about Pune Pact and Roundtable Conference. Bhagat Singh killed someone, so that related question then happened in order of chronology. So these are question PDF. Go to the same test answer PDF. I'll go to page number 1. Give me a second. See, only 59 pages are there. So one test you can easily do it in one day. Okay, current affairs will be more. Current affairs will have hundreds, I think 100 and something pages it will be there. But other subject tests will be very, very small size. You can easily cover in one day. Okay, see, Gandhiji's 11 point, postal reservation bill was explicitly mentioned. Okay, and here the screenshot is from my Spectrum lecture only, which I took, I think 6 years back or 7 years back. So, like this detail, see, that link is also given if you want to watch the YouTube lecture. Pune Pact, see the screenshot, see the explanation, Bhagat Singh, see the explanation about everyone, every personality, everything will be given. Okay, in 59 pages, 100 questions you study of spectrum like this, 4 tests. Imagine the knowledge you will be getting. And in case you fail also, next year you can use the same test PDF again. Okay, hope you understood the quality now. Okay, here another one more. This is June current affair question PDF. See, MiG-21 fighters, QIB, because a lot of stock market related questions are coming. So you should know about these qualified institutional buyers and all. What is RMS method? What is this? What is Games 2023? What is Nilgiri Martin? Squash World Cup, because this time, last time, chess, cricket, Olympics, everything came. So this time again, questions will come on sports. Everything what you need will be there in Vysh test series. That is why the current affair packs, only if you are interested, that I have already shown you the prices and packages that you can enroll. Or now getting back to the other thing, that is our timetable, 85-day timetable, where you want to study. Let me just highlight it 1 second. This is the, you can see on screen, 85 days and the subject split I have given. And then the 75 test I already shown you. These are the 75 test you will be getting. 71 test. Okay, sorry, it's 71 test. I'll just edit it. These are all editable. Okay, you can go and edit whatever you want. And this is the starting Saturday. So first 4 days is what? First 4 days is NCERT. So I'll give you 4 tests of NCERT. Each day you have to do 100 questions of NCERT. And you have to read it yourself. There is no evaluation. There is no correction. Nothing. You will read the PDF kind of thing which I gave you. Okay. So for NCERT. R.S. Sharma, Satish Chandra for 4 days, that is medieval and ancient. Then for 2 days you will do art and culture, test number 1 and test number 2. If you see each tab is there. Okay, this down is different tab in Excel sheet. So you will be reading. Then I gave you 4 days where clickable link are there. Go and watch my Spectrum lecture if you want. If you have already seen, then don't watch it. Directly that 4 days will be bonus for you. Directly do my test PDF. Again 100, 400 question. Then history full test. 100, 400 question. Then I am giving you 7 days again to click and watch Lakshmikant lectures, which we have not done all the chapters, but important first 7-8 chapters will be there. Then last 15 chapters will be there. Total some 20-25 chapters free is there in our YouTube. If you don't want to watch our video, these 7 days is blank for you. These 7 days you can read yourself the Lakshmikant, whichever chapters you feel. After that, we'll give you test chapter wise. Okay. First test is chapter 1 to 6, chapter 7 to 11, chapter 12 to 27. So like this, chapter wise will give you 100 questions in everything. Okay, Lakshmikant will not have very detailed explanations because it will be like copy pasting the Lakshmikant textbook itself. So there we would have mentioned like chapter number, this one, this chapter, and the basic answer key we would have given, but explanation will be little minimal compared to other subjects because you know how much detailing you need to study Lakshmikant. We cannot copy paste everything into the test PDF. Okay, after that, this chapter, this 7th test onwards, detailed explanation will be there because it is having non-Lakshmikant content also. Okay, polity full test 1, polity full test 2, polity full test 3, 4, this and all will have detailed explanation because it has non-Lakshmikant content also. You know, last year like home guard, parole, the jail, police custody, these are things which are not there in Lakshmikant. So such things we would have given our own explanations. Okay, then you will do 3 days of environment, 2 days of science. Okay, 3 days of science. Then geography maps, 3 days. Every day 100 questions you have to do, 8 hours to 12 hours reading you have to do. Okay, so it's going to be hectic. Obviously you may not be able to complete, it will pile up, something will happen. But now if you are a student who are thinking that you are anyway going to fail or you did not cover everything, this is at least a try or at least a help you are trying to do, that you get access to everything what you need. Okay, as per these dates you will get in the email and you can study it. In case you fail also, you still have all these PDFs and next year you can study it with a very big detailed timetable. Okay, so that is the benefit you are going to get. Then current affairs, June, July, August up till April, 11 months of current affair. Then we will give you revision charts which you can do, and then we will give you economics test, which again 5 tests will be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, minimum 4 tests will be there, which is important. 5th extra based on current affair will be there. Schemes, there will be 5 tests where starting from this government's Swachh Bharat of 2014 till today's, every scheme will be there. Most of them will be in current affairs also. Okay, we will not repeat it here, current affair based, but others static ones will be here. Then important bodies are there, international like WHO, World Bank, Quad grouping, BIMSTEC, SARC, everything will be here. Then 3 days before the prelims, you just do previous year questions, which again some of them will be free on our YouTube, others you can do from any Disha publication or any other book, and that is how you will go and give the prelims on June 16. 85 days, 71 tests, 7,100 MCQs, and the timetable will be given to you immediately when you enroll. Okay, and the test PDF will be given as per the schedule. If you want to see sample, you have to come and email me, and in email I will give you 3 PDFs which already you have seen in detail. I have shown you. So as I told, there will be a soft copy question PDF, soft copy answer PDF, video explanation for some of the test if you are enrolled to pack 2, and revision charts, everything is soft copy. You can save it in your mobile phone, you can while traveling, anytime you can read it. Okay, requirement I told you, active, YouTube or Gmail. Okay, give me a second. These are again samples. On the price, you can see on screen. This offer price is only now this week you are coming and contacting, else there is no offers. Prelims pack 1, all these things. This is the discount. Pack 2, where some of the test explanation, and same as pack 1 plus audio of some of the test. This is the price. This is all till this week only. Now again you will tell I want installment, that also we give 3 months installment. This is the price, single, but installment means it will be little higher. So it will be March, April, May, you can pay like this, or this is the price, single payment, this is the 3-time payment, this is March, April, May, you can pay. Hope you got it. You just have to contact me in this WhatsApp, I will tell you how to make the payment. WhatsApp me 7200-681-675, and I hope everything is clear. We want results, and if you also want results, if you are a very serious aspirant, this year or the next year you will definitely clear. Okay, it's up to you whether you do the hard work, you do the smart work, you joined good mentors, you're subscribed to our channel, you're watching our daily videos, you're watching our YouTube things, everything if you're doing, you should ideally you should clear. Okay, so I will tell that make use of this 21 extra days which you have got. Study from a good teacher. The mains exam date is anyway not going to change, but don't worry about that now. Just focus on your prelims. You have to pass prelims now and get to that cutoff of 85, 88. It won't go above that, okay? It will be 88 or less only. So you have to try to get that. UPSC is not going to be easy. You have to study yourself and give this exam. Okay, so current affair packs also, if you want, please come and contact. Anyhow, you have to contact in the same number. 2025 batch also you have to contact in the same number. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.